things are really loud right here. So what I have right here is a GoPro wireless mic complete kit. Yeah, this is a really good system. After I plug it in, it clears up, but that's why going for me. But so I went ahead and got this out. I'm gonna go ahead anyway. This came out of here. It looks like that's what goes in my phone. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up. So give me a second. Oh, hey, already hooked up. I think I had to push that button in, obviously, to get some connection. It has a nice magnet back here. Oh my gosh, right here. Can you hear me? I wonder if this quality is a lot better. Yeah, I hope it is. Anyway, so I'm going to put it there. If my mom comes back in here, I'm going to have her put on this other one. But I'm going to set this down now. Wow. I got this for work because I'm going to start doing this a lot more for work. But yeah, here's the second one. Let's see what it's like when it hooks up. I'm about to read the directions too and see if there's any more detail. Oh my gosh, that second one already hooked up. Wow, so it has the light turns green when it's connected. That's just amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It has a little white to keep it from scratching and stuff. That's paper. This is really nice. Really nice. I'm so curious what the sound quality be like. So this is the only part that I kind of question is what on earth is this right here? Anyway, I'm adjusting it now, but I'm so curious what on earth it is. I'm going to find out though. Yeah. Oh, and it has this nice bag with the charger cord in there, USB to USB. I'm not going to pull it out, and it has this cord right here that I'm about to find out what it is. It has the GoPro logo right there. That's really nice. Here's the instructions. I'm about to dig into these instructions, and I'll update y'all as I find out more interesting things. Wow, look at those eyes. A piece I didn't know about was there's a windscreen. So windscreen, wow, look at that. You know, you see them anytime you're watching YouTube, you see the windscreen. Anyway, it just goes, clips on. I don't know if you can hear that, but hopefully it's a good windscreen. I've been seeing these windscreens like on people's hats like that. Yeah, that's cool. I might do that. Be like everyone else. Yeah. We'll do this. How about that right there? No, seriously, I've been seeing that a lot. Oh, goes off my lap. Or even like that. I've been seeing that a lot. There's two of them in here. I was reading the directions and I saw something about the windscreen. I thought, oh wow, that's neat. Anyway, I'm going to continue reading this because I'm learning some interesting things. Now I'll keep y'all updated. Okay, something everyone's going to want to know is noise reduction. So the power button, when you turn on, you press it once, turn on. But on the other side, you'll see that's the on button. That is noise canceling. See, noise canceling on. Okay, and it does it on the phone's transmitter as well. And so far, what I'm understanding is that this is a transmitter for your phone. I'm sorry, for your camera, or a 3.5 hookup and headphones. I'm still learning more. I'll keep you all updated. I'm not going to unplug it now, but you can see this is what it looks like plugging in. Push the power button for the gain. So let's see if you can hear me here. All right, so do you hear it changing by chance? Anyway, I have the gain all the way on. And from what I understand, gain is how loud the mic is. I think somewhere you can put headphones in whenever you're using the regular camera instead of your cell phone. So I don't have a nice camera like that. I just use my cell phone, so I can't really tell you much on that. Okay, so that's your GoPro wireless mic complete kit microphone. Yeah, yeah. And okay, here we go. We're going to zip it up here. I've got everything in there. Beautiful. I highly recommend. After I find out how the noise or sound quality is, I will put it in the comments. Tell me what you think. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I have all kinds of things. Niche is what they call it. But one of my favorite is showing how to do things like this. Yeah, like and share. All right. Well, hope everyone enjoys your day, and remember, if you don't see it, it can never happen. I've got everything in there. Beautiful. I highly recommend. After I